Across from the distance, through the cherry blossoms, I saw your face.
Alright guys, outfit check, naka-kilowatt shirt tayo. So, yup. And not just this one, but there's more. May naisip ako na idea, okay? So, ito, suotin natin. Okay? And, yup, this is what it looks like. So, ayan. Ayan guys, mga cool kids tayo guys. Cool kids era. Ito, susuotin na natin to. Malapit na siya. So, yeah, outfit check. Correct. So, magbobotonis na lang tayo guys. And, yup. Malapit na. And then, one more. And then, we're good to go. And one more here. Okay. Tapos na po. Okay. Ito. Naka-ano na tayo. Naka-cool kids. Okay. So, para cool kids tignan, we gonna ayusin muna natin yung outfit natin. Okay? Check. And yup.